loves, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I'm going to be deep cleaning my laundry room. As you can see in here, it's very dirty and disgusting, so that's what we're going to be dealing today. And if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. So first things first is we're gonna take out all of these things that does not belong in our laundry, like the luggages. It belongs in the attic and we just didn't get a chance to put it back since we came back from California. So today is a day, today is a time to clean these things out. And also I believe this laundry room in general, since we bought the house, even the past owner, I don't think they cleaned this laundry room, because when I took out everything, like there's a lot of stuff under our machines that is not ours. So it looks like, and the way how dirty it look and how it accumulate all those dust, it feels like it's been there for like since 5 years, because I believe 5 years, because this house was built 2016. So yeah. So now is the time that this laundry room is gonna be happy. And as you can see in here, I was struggling. My husband put this detergent in here and I couldn't take it out for some reason, so I waited for him to come home and take it out. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. Also, as we continue on with the video, I just want to acknowledge and pray for all the moms out there and the single moms, because while I do home cleaning or like homemaking, taking care of the kids, cooking and stuff like that, I just want to say, just taking care of the family in general and the house, it takes a lot of energy and it takes a lot of time and effort. It just drains you out, especially if you have little ones or even teenagers. So while I clean all the time, I think about all the moms actually who are especially single, that does not have any help at home. So I just want to acknowledge you guys and pray for each and every one of you for more energy and also strength to go on with your day, especially if you're going through some difficulties in life. And I just want to say that find rest in Jesus. As you know by now, this channel is based on my faith, so whatever I'm going through, whatever case that I go through in life, I always go to Jesus and ask for his strength and for rest from him. So I just want to say that, and I will be praying for you guys, and I give you guys all the props because it takes a lot of time and it's really hard. It's not easy. It's a full-time job, even though you're stay at home, you know. So that's what's in my heart right now. And so I will leave some Bible verses here. I will drop some Bible verses for you guys. And so yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing right now. I'm folding actually my husband's uniforms. He does air conditioning and heating, so every time we do his laundry, we put his uniforms in the laundry because that's the only place that we can put it for now, and so that is easy for him to just take it downstairs and bring it back up. So yeah.
Yes, I fell in love with you and tried my best to make you love me. And now that you say you want me, oh, my answer's no.
In James 1:2-3, it says, "Consider it a great joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you experience various trials, because you know that the testing of your faith produces endurance."
Yes, I fell in love with you and tried my best to
In Psalms 46, 1-2, it says, God is our refuge, our strength, a helper who is always found in times of trouble. Therefore, we will not be afraid, though the earth trembles and the mountains topple into the depths of the seas. And lastly, in Isaiah 40, 30-31, youth may become faint and weary, and young men stumble and fall. But those who trust in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not become weary. They will walk and not faint.
When I fall hard, you turn me around. Oh, and you go up when I go down. You see clear when I go blind. And oh, at home, you always be around. The show is over. Now you finally know it's you and you only. So hard trying to show it. Give you my all. Promise I'll be good. Waiting for answers, but now it's up to you. Now it's up to you. Waiting for answers. Now it's up to you. Waiting. I know that I've been going back and forth. I know that I've been leaving you with questions. I know I should, but I don't wanna fall. I know with you I have to learn my lessons.
So here I am using this steamer. I believe that's what you call it. I just want to say that I love this thing. It's like the best thing to clean stuff at home. It's a best investment and it's very affordable. I will try to link it up for you guys down below if I can find it again on Amazon. However, I just want to mention this because it's like the best thing ever. It's like easy to clean things out. But here I wanted to actually deep clean this washer, like take out the inside and stuff like that. My husband tried to take it out. We couldn't take it out, like those things that you see on TikTok, the way they clean it. I wanted to do that, but I couldn't. So I'm just gonna be cleaning the outside for now, and also we're gonna be washing the inside later on.
Now it's up to you. Waiting. You go up when I go down.
And now here's the most satisfying part of cleaning this laundry room, which is the floors. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I can explain my feelings after cleaning all these things. It just makes me feel very light and very happy knowing that this thing got cleaned and deep cleaned. It's just the feeling after your house is clean is just the best feeling, and I'm so happy how it turned out. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I know I should have wear a gloves or something, but this is where I was telling you guys earlier, like most of these things, like the stuff that you saw, the big stuff that I took out, are not ours. So it was from the previous owner, and you see how dirty and dusty this back area is. I feel like it hasn't been cleaned for a long time, so I'm so happy that it's finally clean. I've been wanting to clean this laundry room. I just keep pushing it back, and now was the time. So yeah, enjoy.
That I love.
It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah-nah. Never know, nah-nah. She will never know, nah-nah.
So here, all of the things that was from the outside earlier, what I was cleaning, it went inside of this washer. So now we're gonna be washing it with baking soda and vinegar. As you can see, I didn't measure it or anything. I just pretty much eyeballed it, and I'm almost running out of it, so I didn't really care measuring it. And here I also finally got a hook or a hanger for my iron board. It's been so long I've been wanting to get it, and it finally came. And also I got this thing from Amazon, which is for my detergent. I didn't want to get this water dispenser because it's so slow for the water or the liquid to drain. So I got this one instead, and it's really fast, like for the detergent to go down. So when I do my laundry, it's fast and easy.
She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah-nah. Never know, nah-nah. She will never know, nah-nah. Never know, nah-nah.
And this thing fits perfectly in here, and it's easy to tilt when it's almost gone, like the detergent, so it's easier for you to dispense it. And now here's the after shots. I am not decorating this laundry room anytime soon, so I just wanted to make it simple but clean at the same time. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, join the family, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
I never thought